After the Battle of Plassey. After the defeat at Plassey, Siraj-ud-Daulah was assassinated and Mir Jafar was made the Nawab. When Mir Jafar protested against the dealings of the company, he was deposed and Mir Qasim was made the Nawab of Bengal. When Mir Qasim raised his voice against the company, he was defeated in the Battle of Buxar and Mir Jafar was again made the Nawab. Mir Jafar died in 1765 and the company decided to become Nawabs themselves. In 1765, the Mughal emperor appointed the company as the Diwan of the provinces of Bengal. The company expanded trade, maintained its own army, built offices and forts, and amassed huge amount of wealth.